Double tap and hold to long press. Video underscore recording. Music volume muted.
Hey y'all, today I'm going to hike with you all. This is a state forest. What you hear is my cane. No disabilities hold you back in life. Do I hear a car coming? Nope, that's just the wind. Nope, I did hear a car. Alrighty, y'all. Hello! As y'all can see, what I'm doing is using the cane to follow the side. I was going to go hiking up here, but my mom and I think this might be the spot. A gentleman at Mount Greylock told us it's a hiking, which it feels like it's blacktop. So I think this is what the guy meant at Mount Greylock, to hike to the trailhead of the waterfall. I'm not sure, you all, but for you all who follow me and subscribe, I appreciate it a super lot. I love bringing you all amazing content, if it's me working on cars, if it's me doing anything. As you all know, I'm going to be doing another hike to the abandoned fire tower soon too. And I'm going to be going to a couple other fire towers also. I hear a car coming. Alright, go ahead.
Are you lost?
No, I'm good. I'm walking. I heard your car coming.
Okay.
Thank you, young lady. Alright, that goes right there. Sounds like I'm right where I took the video, you all, earlier, the waterfall. I think this is the waterfall that my mom and I went to the bridge with. I hear my mother's car come behind me. Yeah, that's my mom's Buick. I could tell by the exhaust leak. You all had a little exhaust leak. I'll see you at the end.
All right.
Okay. That's my dad, y'all. Now you can see over here too. Life has no limitations we should ever put upon ourselves. Always remember, you can do whatever you put your mind to. What you hear once again is my cane, y'all. Feels like it's a little ravine down there, like a little ditch, but then it goes into woods, y'all. My eyeballs don't work to explain what's around, but I love doing this content for y'all. And I have some new music that will be coming out soon. When I go to NYC in June, you'll all be able to hear some new songs that I released. I'm meeting my music producer. And hopefully that pays out well because I'm going to the Halsey concert in June 6th at the PNC Arts Center. And I owe a lot of doing all these videos and everything to her because we both had the same experiences growing up, a lot of them, and can relate a lot. But shout out to Rada, also amazing singer. Rada sent me some gifts that I showed y'all on my channel. Don't forget to check that video out. If you haven't yet, feels like I'm going uphill. Flow with the Tide is the best song by Rada, you all. Highly recommend it. That's my favorite song. It's about her life and stuff like that. I feel the sun beating on me, y'all. Hear the wind blowing the leaves. And also, for those who can't get out and drive, that are also disabled or don't have cars, this helps you all see amazing views. That's where I came from. This is where I'm heading. Well, once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll blow your mind what it can do with low vision. From songwriting, history lesson, many more amazing things. I hear my mother's car in the distance. That's a car I bought for my mother. Got it for a great deal. Paid $800 for it. Needed the exhaust system replaced, which was an easy fix. And I actually show on there me doing the repairs on that car. And I just remetaled the rocker pan on the one side. Got to do the other side. I just installed the wheel bearing on it and stuff like that. Listen to the quietness, y'all. This is the Pittsfield State Forest once again. And after this, I'm going hiking on the abandoned dirt road that my mom can't drive on. That's in my town. It's a dead end. It goes up the mountain, up Mount Lebanon. It's abandoned, but that one's ingrown. I'm not sure if my battery will be good enough to charge. If the battery's all charged, I'm going to go hiking it and record it. But if it's not, I'm going to hike it. Then I'm going to do the hike the other day to show you all it. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Nice to see you. Have a good day.
Nice, you too.
As y'all can see, I just passed someone on a bicycle. But everybody seems friendly up in this area. As you know, I'm not from Massachusetts. I live in New York, but everybody seems friendly out here, the people that I met so far. But I'm thinking of writing a couple of songs, some about some hardships and some about encouraging too. I'm not sure yet. I gotta talk to my music producer and see what he prefers writing the most. I hear a car coming. Or is that the wind? That's the wind, okay. Wow, this is pretty cool. This is not good for me to hike usually. It seems clear. Feels like I'm going to a turn soon. Wow, this is amazing. I've never been here, y'all. This is my first time, and it's just nice. Back when my eyeballs worked out, I would have been able to run this because being legally blind, I had tunnel vision way back in the day. Back when I was knee-high to a grasshopper. But I lost my left eye in 2014, lost my right eye in September of 2024. But don't stop me, as you all see, life has no limitations. Being blind is not a disability, just an obstacle in life you have to overcome. I want to show you all nature views. And thank you to everyone who is subscribed to me. It means so much to have people like you guys watching my content. You all. And I'm very blessed and thankful for that. I hear a car coming, you all. Or it is moving out. Alright, once it gets close, I'm going to stop. Alright, y'all, I'm going to let this car pass. No, thank you. That's the end up there. Oh, you guys didn't drive to the end? I'm good. That's where we came from, you all, once again. That's where we're heading. My mother worries sometimes, but it's okay. She's with my dad, so my dad worries a lot more because he's a city boy, and they both adopted me. My father, Chris, adopted me. My mother, Melissa, they adopted me. But my father, Chris, is a city boy. He was born in the city, raised in the city, so he's petrified of animals and everything. Mom! Why did you put the car there? I'm recording, Mom.
All right.
No, you knew that. Why did you park right there?
That one in the water.
Well, as you see, I didn't walk into it. What hit the car, Ma? The cane. Alright, y'all, as you seen, I did walk into the car, but I didn't walk into it. The cane hit it and let me know it was there, and I went around it. Are you guys gonna drive? I'm gonna let you go by so I don't have to stop again. Oh my God, my dad is crazy. Gotta love him. Alrighty, right over here, turn. Right there feels like something. As you hear, that's my cane once again. It sounds like... I'm not sure what you all think it sounds like. Comment below what you think my cane sounds like. Are you guys gonna go? Guess not. Unless the car's overheating again. The car has a little problem with the motor that I gotta eventually get fixed. It overheats. I hear a car coming. Alright, you all, I hear the car coming. I take it they're not gonna. Alright, you all, we're gonna let this car pass and then we're on our way. I always step off the road when I hear a car coming. It's safety being blind. So I hear another car has to win. I think I picked the worst day to go hiking at the state forest, y'all. There are cars. A lot of cars. Listen to the nature view, you all. The cane is very important to use if you're visually impaired. I'm telling you that right now because it does help you from walking into things like it did me. It stopped me from walking into a car. The cane at the tip bumped the car and I didn't. This cane will let me know if there's... I hear another car coming. Well, it's a ways away. Let me move that branch out of the way so someone don't bump it. I kick the branch all out of the way at my foot, off the side of the road. It's just so beautiful up here, so amazing, you all. I mean, having eyeballs that worked back when I was a kid. Well, they didn't work the best. It was blurry vision, but I was able to see what nature was like and stuff. It's like looking at 2 paper towel rolls, but very blurry, my vision when I was a kid. I was able to ride a bicycle, but had to read font 72. And it had to be enlarged, but it was blurry, but I still could do it. It took me longer to read because of bad vision, but... Hang on, you all. I always try to block license plates because I don't want people's privacy invaded. Because some people don't like their plates. I knew I heard a car, y'all. Just tell me, y'all. This is all protected state land, I believe. I'm not 100% positive. Don't quote me on that. Oh, that's a branch that my cane bumped. As y'all can tell, I moved a branch up my cane. It was a small one, but it bumped it. That's why I always say, using a cane is very important. It doesn't just alert others of you being blind. It's your tool to get around independently. I prefer the old style cane, not the smart cane, because the smart cane I don't trust. I like the old school way. As you could tell, I could hear that car, y'all. And that's my mother, I can tell. I can hear that Buick from a mile away. No saying anything funny, I'm taking a video.
I think we're almost to the end.
That's an old car, but she still runs good. I have to get the frame repaired on her. She has some frame damage underneath. The frame is starting to rot and crack in spots, but the car still drives, but it ain't gonna pass inspection, so I'm gonna get my mother a better car soon. The Ford probe, I ran into some problems. It's a part that it needs that nobody makes, so the probe is sitting broke down currently. That feels like the road turns, or is that a pull-off? I think that's a pull-off, because I feel like the road goes that way. Make sure. Yeah, I wouldn't know. Let's see. Yep, that was a pull-off, y'all. Right here is like a pull-off or something my cane was telling me about. I don't know where that goes, y'all. I'm not sure if it goes far, but I'm not going that way. I'm going to continue to go this way. There's like another pull-off. So, stop. Listen. And cross. Boy, here's something breaking a branch somewhere. I'm not sure if it's a rabbit or something. Well, it could have been a leaf moving. Is that litter? Or am I hitting with my cane? Set that right there. Someone has something on the ground. And I moved it so a car don't run it over, y'all. Sounds like a car's in the distance behind me, or far enough behind where it's safe. Where's the wind? Speed bump. This time I'm getting to the entrance, y'all. And I'm gonna go hiking in Jersey when I go to the Halsey concert, y'all. I found a couple of state parks that have a lot of hiking, and I'm gonna hike the trails. My mom can stay back in the parking lot, of course, because she can't walk that far because of her legs and heart condition. Hear the nature, y'all? Just a nice quietness. I've been doing a lot of short videos lately, so if y'all haven't seen them, check out my short videos. And I do song covers on there, I do automotive repair, I do regular videos too, but if you haven't yet, check out my short videos on my channel. And once again, if you're not yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll blow your mind what I can do at low vision. I hear a bike coming, y'all. Hello! As you see, I'm always pleasant. Here's something else coming up. I'm not going to point it at the thing, of course, because I don't want people seeing it. like the plates and stuff other people's cost. I highly recommend if someone's disabled or legally blind, or this is a pretty much good place to walk. Like feels like it's paved. Yeah, it is pavement. And it has a beautiful small waterfall, not big, like a little creek. I'm not sure it was made by people, if it's from nature itself. This is a Pittsfield State Forest in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. You know, I got a fly or something hanging on the back of my head. I don't believe in killing animals. I just shoo it off my head because I won't kill an insect. Alright. There's the room. I feel like it's broken up a little, but... Alright, that feels like a pool. Potholes. Feels like this... Nope, it's still gravel. Not gravel, I mean blacktop. Feels like a patch of gravel was done there. Damn it, go ahead, little guy. I don't want to harm you. But... listen to the nature, y'all. Listen to the wind. It's just amazing. Very glad I picked this hike. What? What? You're at the end? What is it? What is it? Why? Oh, I hear water. Where's the sign?
Right here. Turn right.
Do I show it or no?
I don't know if you should.
I can.
Turn right.
Do you see it in my camera?
Point it the other way so it's not pointing at me. The flags, the sign is right.
What, Pittsfield State Forest?
Yeah, right there.
What flags? American?
American, and I don't know what the
Show
other
the other one.
Alright.
Alrighty, you all. Where's
You're
the...
gonna walk into a tree.
Well, you brought me up. I am. My cane tells me it's right here. Look. Let's do this again. Watch. There's a tree. Cane brings you right around.
Alright, car's over here.
What, you moved the car? Here, go ahead of me. So I can walk. Where's the end of the road? It keeps going up a little further?
Just to the little,
To the little what?
where the guy, the
Motorcycle was?
information center there.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna walk to.
Alright, go. And walk back there.
No, meet me at the information center. I'll hop in the car.
Not in the back.
I know, I follow the edge of the road. Are you gonna go? Mom? Sorry about this, y'all. This is why I like hiking on my own sometimes. Here's when my dad's in the car, he worries too much. Where's the information center? Ma? I know, where is it?
Right there, turn around.
Do I show it?
No, right there.
Is it in the camera?
I can't tell them.
Alright, I look forward to seeing you all in the next cool video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll blow your mind what I can do at low vision. I look forward to seeing you all in the next cool video. Peace.
Stop recording.